Hello, my children, and well, whoever says that, okay. Hello, good people. I'm sanitizing. Sorry about that. Yeah. Oh, go the audio shit. So today we are making an MSP. Ooh! Sorry, an MSP account because wholesome, and also because I haven't been on this game for years, and I pretty much forget everything because I used to be in the Irish server because I can't tell you why, but I used to. So now I'm in UK and USA, but oh my god, literally Snapchat is fudging killing me. Stop calling me. There. I already have that hair. Or whatever, I can use the black one. Ooh! Aw, you can't change the color of the fridging mouse. Okay, so I'm back. And I forgot about this. And also, I'm sorry. I was ooh, so much times. Just rewatching the clips. I just watched the clips again just to see if my videos are going well, but no, they aren't. So, this is my first ever video, if you could not tell, so I'm an MSP account. What? An MSP YouTube channel. I'm gonna be doing MSP videos, and I'm gonna get VIP on this account. Yay! But first of all, I'm not gonna be doing that crap where everyone has 500 accounts with VIP on them all. I'm gonna be like you guys, first of all, not everyone can afford this on 8 accounts. So I'm gonna get 1 month VIP with silver pack, because that's cheap, I guess. It's €20, 20 whatever you use, and then you get basically this for €20, and that's great. I'll probably just get this or something, so it doesn't matter. But yeah, let's do our challenges and talk. So I'm a nice person, I guess. I have another drawing channel, but I'm not gonna tell you to check that out because who wants to do that, right? I've played MSP for so damn long. I got hacked on it for what? Wait, what? What? What the hell? You don't have the YouTube thing or what? I had to reload 8 times because it was so laggy, bruh. I tried to record so much times. Sorry again, I don't think back to it. So I was trying to make so much different accounts. Clearly, so much different what do they call it? I'm stupid, I'm sorry. Pumpkin. I want to see if she's on USA. I'm at England or whatever. Oh yeah. This. I'm not actually this old, okay? I'm just going to tell you. Tell it this time that I'm this old. Ugh! As you can tell by my voice, I'm clearly not that old. But yeah. So if you like my videos, just subscribe, I guess, or don't, because you're gonna die watching my videos. Because they're really bad. I think, I don't No, I haven't like posted videos in like quite a while. Quite a while, I mean like 5 years, but like, no, I'm actually not joking, 5 years. The last time I posted a video, I was like, I don't know, 10? No, not 10. Ew! Don't look at that, don't look at that, I'm sorry. Ugh, I hate this. Ew, she's a judge, she's so ugly. Why is everyone so nude in this game? Like, I'm gonna go to a different one. Why do you have to be nude? Let's go to the beach. Nicki Minaj. I'm playing with a ruler, so if you can hear like tapping noises. Ow, that hurt. I'm killing you guys' ears. Oh yeah, we had to wear that. I remember the good days. Well, not the good days, they were ugly days. Yeah. Hey. You person who wants this. I bet he's like level 5. Why all good-looking girls date like people like this? I don't even know, to be honest. Just want to pass my GCs, SEs. I don't even know. I'm not even English, so. Hey, I have an auto. Why is everyone like... Yes, I'm celebrating. Thanks. You're so nice. Ugh, I love Eid. In case you guys don't know what Eid is. It's a religious festival. Okay. Stop calling me. Yeah. Can I have an auto? Can I have an auto? I hate like it's so hard to get an auto. Super hard. Can I have an It's gonna take years, so I'm just gonna pause. I'm back and I got VIP! No, I didn't. Yay! She called me cute. I'm not gonna do that, I'm just gonna do that. Okay, let's see in the arcade, because arcade is fun and my stomach is like killing me. Scott. Let's just like play once. Let's get like 100. 100. No! Never mind, I'm fine. I'm Gucci. That game was bad anyways. MSP got so... It's like getting like boring now. Like, there's nothing to do. At least I don't know. I don't even know. I do nothing on MSP. Yeah. Hey guys, I'm gonna stop the video soon because free trial only lasts 15 minutes of recording, and I am poor, so free trial it is. I have to go shopping now. Let's go. Let's go, my fellow students. Oh. Ew. What is that supposed to mean? Shopping. Free star coins it is, baby. Let's... Okay. I'm gonna do... Okay, just a sec. Okay. Let's claim our free star... Yes. Free star coins. 300 free star coins. Let's go, baby. Might get VIP in this account. I don't know. Might make a new account and get VIP there. I like my outfit right now. Let's just focus on animations, cause like focus. Cause if I don't buy animations, I'm gonna be that one weirdo who has no animations but like a good outfit, bruh. And nobody wants to be that guy. So yeah. This is I really want a good animation, a Gucci animation. What's this? Ooh! But I want both. This one's better. Running for you, Tom. Which one is that on? Like, acting. That's, I think. So, now let's go shopping! Drops 10 cents into pocket. Oh, tops. Put tops up. Ew! Whoever bought that should be imprisonment. I suck at saying words. That's already 500? Gotta be kidding me. Okay, got to. Oh yeah, I already have some money. So it's fine. Probably should get like good hair. Okay, there's a fact about me on MSP Planet that I love. Okay, not like, but love buying hair. Okay, I'm gonna buy like a million, like tons of hair. Okay, I had this account and it's like 2 pages of like actual clothes and like 5 pages of hair. That's how much I love hair. And MSP. And I always buy hair. No, you replaced. My favorite item got replaced by accident. Oh, I used to wear them. What did I want to get? Good hair. I'm bad at remembering things. Sorry. Find me good hair. Ew! I used to have that hair. I used to love it. I used to wear it all the time. But not anymore, suckers. Ew. Oh, I know. That's when like Star Wars what? Versus the Forces of Evil. I used to love that show. Good job if you made it through that long time of watching me because I'm cringe. Find me some actual good hair. Why am I looking in top? I should look in this. I love this kind of love. I can't remember.